How to turn on location on Snapchat. So if you want to turn on your location on Snapchat, then first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. And after opening your Snapchat, you can go to your profile, which is on the upper left corner. And then you can go to settings, which is on the upper right corner. And now here, if you scroll down, then under the privacy control, you will have see my location option. You can simply tap on see my location. And then before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Now, if you want to turn on your location, then you have to simply turn off the ghost mode. And here it will ask you to enable location. So if you want to enable your location, then you can simply tap on that. And now you have to tap on allow while using the app, and you have to turn on your location. And that's it. That's how you turn on your location on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.